Hello and welcome to AI Plus More, your go-to source for discovering the latest advancements in AI technology and how they can enhance your creative endeavors. In today's tutorial, we're delving into the realm of video creation using the innovative platform known as Steve AI. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting, Steve AI offers a unique blend of AI-powered tools to transform your ideas into captivating animated videos. Join us as we explore the ins and outs of this exciting platform and learn how to harness its power for your video making journey. Coming to you from the creators of Animaker, Steve AI has been developed as a platform that delivers exceptional results in crafting high-quality animated marketing videos. We can transform an old blog post into an animated marketing video or convert audio files into attention-grabbing visuals. Steve AI's innovative features have you covered. Now let's take a closer look at how Steve AI works its magic through a test run with a text from ChatGPT. By following a simple series of steps, we'll witness firsthand how Steve AI transforms a written blog into a captivating animated video. From context setting to design style customization, every stage is an opportunity to infuse your unique touch into the video creation process. Before we continue with the video, make sure to like and subscribe to keep updated with new videos. Also hit that notification bell and let's continue with the video. After logging in, we're here at the main dashboard. We can see a lot of different options. We can choose our type of video, we can do live action, we can do animation, we can start from a blog, from voice, or from social media. Some of these have been recently improved, and some of them are coming soon, like the tweet to video and PowerPoint to video. But in the meantime, we'll talk about text to video. So here, I started a problem with ChatGPT saying, give me a 30-second video script for building a three-legged table. After getting this, I asked it to remove the camera directions, also remove the narrator clarifications, and just the text. So here we have our text, and I'm gonna copy it over here, and we're gonna go to text to animation. We can choose the type of video, either animation or live. We can choose the format of our video. We can choose the category, as in advertisement, announcement, birthday, business, explainer. We're gonna go with explainer. We can see there's a lot of different titles. We're gonna go with architect explainer. Well, if we paste this here, there we go. We can edit this one that said text on screen, and we can remove the quotation marks. That looks good. What is the video about? We'll say woodworking. It's an animation video. We can use all sources, and we can choose to auto highlight and add a voiceover. It'll be in English. Let's go with British English. Let's listen to the voices.
Hello, I am Brian from Steve.
And what about Arthur?
Hello, I'm Arthur from Steve.
Here at the bottom right, we can see the duration of the video, the estimated at least. We could clear all here at the top right, or do a sample video script. But we already have the video script that we wanted, so let's continue with that. Here we can choose the design style from the array of options that this kind of theme allows us. It'll take just a bit while it's generating our video, and wow, that's faster than I thought it would. Here we can see on the left we can change the layout and it gives us a bunch of different options. Let's go with this one. I like this one. We can change the color and we'll go with this, and we can apply to all. We can choose how long the scene takes. We can edit the different scenes. We can choose them. We can edit the text over here, edit the text, change the color or text grid. Since we chose auto highlight, we can see these words. Again, we have the scene time. We can choose the transition between them. We can hide the text in the current slide or in all the slides. We could delete it or duplicate the scene. Say if we don't like a specific character or its position, we can select it, change its action, and we can do keywords for this. But I'm just gonna scroll and say, let's go with rocket. That seems fun. It doesn't really suit the video, but just to show that there's a wide array of things a character could do, we can change the character as well. There's a bunch of kids, there's businessmen, there's different types of careers. Let's go with policewoman. Oh, you can see here that that's a premium option. Let's go with this guy. Seems fun. Oh, he's still on the rocket. That's good to know that it doesn't change the action. You can change the voiceover, or you could record it over here. You could delete it off of just one scene as well. And you can change the music. Here you can change the volume, the song, or just delete it. And once you're happy with your progress, you can hit publish. On the right, you'll see you can edit the name. You can choose the quality. You can do 480 or 720 on the free version, Full HD on the basic version, 2K on the Pro version, and 4K on the most premium one. You can see it here. You can see the exported video will be of higher quality and without the Getty watermarks. And we can play it a little bit.
Welcome to this DIY adventure. Today, we're crafting a unique three-leg table that combines style and stability.
That's good. So we're gonna hit download, and we can see that by hitting download, we're using one of our 3 free video downloads per month. So we will hit it, and there we go. As you can see here, once we've hit download, we'll get into the free queue in the video. We're here at spot 663, so it takes a little bit if you still have the free account. This is a super useful tool to leverage your blog content or use ChatGPT to create amazing communicative marketing videos. You can repurpose text in a lot of ways. So you can see Steve AI introduces a game-changing approach with its pre-written scripts for explainer videos. These scripts can be tailored to match your requirements, providing a professional edge without the need to start from scratch. And enhancing the experience even further, Steve AI boasts a text-to-speech feature with a variety of engaging voice options. From youthful tones to deep pitches, these voices bring characters to life and add depth to your animations. You can change the background scenes, the characters, even the music, ensuring your animated video aligns perfectly with your brand identity. Choose from a diverse range of templates, catering to various industries, and enrich scenes with props, objects, or additional characters to create dynamic visuals that resonate with your audience. As with any tool, Steve AI comes with its own set of pros and cons. On the positive side, its user-friendly interface and simplified video creation process make it an ideal choice for creators of all levels. The ability to repurpose content quickly and cost-effectively is a significant advantage. However, initial AI-generated outputs may require some fine-tuning, and hosting videos on external platforms might be preferred to avoid overwhelming your website. Now let's talk about pricing. Steve AI offers a range of pricing plans to suit various needs. On the free version, allowing 3 lower quality video downloads per month with a watermark, to the Pro plan offering high quality video downloads at 2K resolution. There's an option for every budget and project scope. In a world driven by visual storytelling, Steve AI emerges as a revolutionary ally for content creators, simplifying the process of an animated video creation. Its AI-powered features, coupled with intuitive customization options, empowers creators to amplify their messaging, engage with audiences, and leave a lasting impact. Whether you're repurposing existing content or bringing fresh ideas to life with your generation, Steve AI opens a world of possibilities for video marketing. Join the ranks of visionary creators who are harnessing the power of AI to craft captivating narratives. As we wrap up the tutorial, remember that with Steve AI, your creativity knows no bounds. Thank you for joining us on this journey of AI exploration. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content. Here, AI Plus More. Take care.